modern-day gold rush on the internet has no recession and no unemployment wolf. Welcome to a new modern digital age of tremendous changes that affect everyone. It's a fair statement that we live in uncharted times, do you agree? Therein lie deep valleys and high peaks of possibilities. Sometimes, a simple story can best present basic ideas and lessons. There is no better story than The Wolf and Three Pigs. Let's imagine for this story that unemployment can be represented as a wolf. A deep recession fell upon the land. The menace of unemployment appeared in the neighborhood. People were fearful that the unemployment wolf may knock on their doors. People began to look at three possible plans to be better prepared in a changing modern-day digital economy. Plan number 1. Hang on and hope the recession will pass. Learn to live without no personal income. Blame yourself. No protection at the mercy of harsh realities. This passive thinking is like living in a stick house. Plan number 2. Be more proactive and look for suitable employment. Check out local job listings, send out resumes, compare online ads, accept low wages talk, risk investments. Browse home business opportunities on the internet. Dreams like a king, but how doable are they by the average citizen? This wishful thinking is like straw houses easily blown away with excuses and failures. Plan number 3. Consider being a home business owner with huge online trends in the modern-day gold rush. First, visualize the internet gold rush in the modern age. Now get serious. Before you dream, get a basic understanding of three things and how they work together. 1. Change and choice in the digital economy. 2. Critical thinking skills and self-dialogue. 3. How people power makes internet profits. Why do you want a piece of the digital motherlode? You want leverage that comes from a people-friendly digital tool. Simple means it is entirely possible to do just fine. This is the one and only home business built from solid bricks with a team of master builders. The unemployment wolf can huff and puff all he wants, but you are building financial security where there is no recession on the internet. Check out this unique home business resource called Motherlode Marketing. Your questions and comment are the keys to laying the proper foundation for your home business. Moral of story is you must have a safe and secure foundation to build on. The smart ones will include future growth and change properly.